Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and the SQL playlist series. Where in this series we will be solving some real world SQL problems which are frequently asked in the data analyst and data science interviews. So in today's video we will be solving some one of the most exciting SQL question which has been asked by the Google. It's called odd and even measurements. So we will walk through the problem statement, understand the logic, and write an efficient SQL query step by step. So let's get started by reading the problem statement. So we have been given the data of a measurement, and we need to query to calculate the sum of odd numbered and even numbered measurements separately for a particular day and display the results in the two different columns. Okay, let's see the sample input and sample output. So so this is the input. This is the data of a sensor of a Google where the measurements are measured at the frequent times and intervals of the day. And we need to find the output in this format where we have given the measurement day and the odd sum and the even sum of the measurement value. So one thing to notice here is in the output format we have only calculated on the basis of the date. So there is no uh, consideration for the time in the output. So we need to typecast it the date time to only date and then calculate the calculations. So so the approach to this problem would be, first of all first of all there are many approach by which we can solve this question, but we will follow a structured approach and efficient approach. uh, and let me know if you have more efficient approach than the query I am writing. So let's get started. So I will be writing a ct. In this I will be creating another column in this measurement table, which will contain the row number, which will contain the number like 1, 2, 3. And I will be doing the partitioning by because we need to get the odd sum and even sum with respect to the date. So for each measurement, for each day, I will be having some number which will be ranging from 1 to uh, 1 to 3, like this. So for each measurement day we will be getting like this. So after getting this ct, where we will be having an extra column which will contain the row number, that I will do with the help of row number window function, that will generate the number series with by partitioning partitioning the date. So in the next so this is the ct. With referencing this ct, I will write a simple case statement where the row number, I will write the case statement. If it is even, then I will be storing it in the even sum, and then if it is a odd row number, I will be storing it in the odd. And at last I will be grouping by with the help of measurement time, where I will be typecasting to the date, because we are not taking the consideration for the time. And at last I will be ordering it by the date. So let's move on to the writing. Let's move on to write the query. So as I said, I will be creating a common table expression and naming it as a refer. I will be selecting all of this, and then I will be using the Windows function, which is the row number function, which assigns the unique number row wise, row number, and I will be partitioning it on partition by the measurement time. And as I said, I need to typecast it to date. because if we do not do the typecasting, so because the time is different for every measurement id, we will getting the row number as 1 itself. So I will be typecasting it to the date, and then I will be ordering it by the measurement time itself. Well, I will be giving renaming it as numbers from measurement table. So if I show you what this query gives us the output is, so we are getting the row number as 1 2 3. Here we can see that for each day, for each date like 7 10, we are getting 1 2 3 row number because we have partitioned it by. So similarly for another date, and I want to show you that if I don't typecast it to date, we will be getting something like this 1 1 1, because every measurement time is different. So automatically it will um, generate the row number as 1 itself, because there are no multiple measurement time on the same time and same date. So that's why we have been typecasting. And then I will be writing a select statement. Now we know our the output. I will be writing the select statement as measurement time. I will be casting it to the date. Then I will write the case statement, case when the number mod of 2 is not equal to 0. Then it becomes, then we need to calculate the measure value, else 0. And I will be ending the statement, case statement, so as odd, because if one number is not divisible by 2, we are considering it by odd. So in the same way I will be writing for even. Only change I will be making is where equal to, then measurement, and here even sum from refer. And then I will be grouping it by measurement time, and then finally I will be ordering it by measurement time itself. So if I run the code, we have an error at line 6. So the spelling of select is not correct. So here we got the desired outputs. Let's submit. So the query has been accepted. So this is how we solve this problem. And multiple ways, there are some many multiple ways by which we can solve this problem. And if you think you have more efficient code than this, then free free to